Are you making the most of your wonderful face? Welcome to this video tutorial where I'll be exploring our wonderful faces and how we use them to communicate. Babies are drawn to faces. I think it's a survival mechanism, and also adults are too, because I believe we're inherently social creatures. And when we're online, of course, that's the main thing we have, isn't it? Our face, our head, our neck and our shoulders. That's what people see. So how can we use them to be even more effective in our communication? The first thing to consider is, how often do you smile when you give a talk or presentation? Now, I'm not suggesting you smile all the time, but there will certainly be points in that presentation where it's a good idea to smile, because smiling is a great way of connecting with people. It shows that really super friendly energy and makes people feel warm towards you. And secondly, are you opening your mouth enough to make sure that your words come out rich and come out clear so that your message can be really communicated? And thirdly, if you're considering doing slides in a presentation, you may want to think about either doing less slides so that people can see your big smiley face as opposed to a tiny one, or even no slides, because a face that's lit up and animated is often a lot more attractive than a flat screen. Enjoy your faces, make the most of them. Thank you very much.